Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaked through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. This is the greatest show.
Crane Photography. Moments for a lifetime.
You were the word at the beginning.
I'm so happy for this day, and we've been waiting for such a long time, and finally the day has come where we're going to be husband and wife. We've been through so much together, and I just thank you for being patient with me and for fulfilling your promises, and also being such a gentleman that you are. I can't wait to be your wife.
What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. That name of Jesus.
I think everyone can agree that Pricilla looks so beautiful. Jose, you've got a trophy right there, honestly. I've known Pricilla for over 10 years, and in the time I've known her, we used to talk about times like this, about getting married, having kids, and to see this day actually come, God is actually good. I'm so proud of you and so happy for you. I literally shed a tear at the back when you was walking, and I was like, I can't believe this day is here. Jose, one thing I can say, you've got someone that loves you. She doesn't give up on people. She cares about her loved ones. And Pricilla, please be a good wife. Don't embarrass us. We used to talk about these days, and the day is here. You are married. You are a whole wife, and I love you.
Moments for a lifetime. Moments for a lifetime.
Modernization, chicken for money pressure, street orientation. Modernization, for money pressure. All my niggas sharp proper. Cover face like badger. Get feel like but we know they cup. Sit up boss them tap tap tap. Pass all the shit rababa. Omo ijo rababa.
It's rare for two good people to meet, but we thank God that those two good, perfect people met and they are going to live together. And I believe they will make a happy marriage.
Anyway, anyhow, you know, say you go feel me.